Today is Thursday, October the 24th. November the 26th at 1:30 p.m. I have a court date. So if you can see this broadcast, you need to show up for court. Ivan Bates, I will stand ready for trial. I want a trial. Y'all violated the dissent decree. And Judge Bredar has this information. We're talking about justice, and I don't get no justice, you don't get no peace. To dismantle the master's house, you got to use the master's tools. Social media for social change. Like I said, I got a trial. That's the date right there. November 26, 2014, Wabash Avenue. That's Ivan Bates. See the date? The 21st of October. He got this. So Ivan Bates, all that information you got to turn over for the grand jury. Because I want Fox 45 Sinclair Broadcasting. I want them prosecuted for filing false charges. That's Senator Ben Cardin's. I was making a movie about the Democratic Party. Everything Senator Cardin's got since 2007, bring it to court. All right? Apply for Martin Luther King's job because we ain't got no more Martins. We ain't got no more Malcolms. We ain't got no more Fred Hamptons. We got self-serving demigods. So I serve this up to you. And it's about the courts and our rights under the courts. That's Thurgood Marshall. All right? Supreme Court. That's Jim Jordan of the Judiciary Committee. All right? See the date? November 2023. For more information about Mr. Davis, let's get this right. For more information about Mr. Davis, all right? That's Kwaisa and Fume. I ain't got a problem with Kwaisa. He wrote a letter. Johnny Oleski wrote a letter, but these individuals ain't do nothing about it. I'm an honorably discharged veteran of the United States Navy. Veterans Day is coming up. I was administrative assistant to the engineering officer on the USS Mississippi. Jimmy Carter christened my ship. All right? We're going to play these just like we're going to play the tapes. Because it's my First Amendment right, freedom of speech. Feel me? Freedom of speech. That's the dissent decree monitoring team. All right? Dissent decree monitoring team. All right? United States District Court. On October the 24th, they're going to be on Lombard Street. And I'm going to be there too. That's me. That's me and Jeff Majors. TV One, Radio One, Kathleen Hughes, Roland Martin. Yeah. Black voices in the community. That's me and Dick Gregory. Before he died at the Summer Jams. That's Mark Clark and the Big Fat Morning Show when they first came to Baltimore at Nellie's coming out party at Milford Mill Swim Club. That's George Clinton, Parliament Funkadelic. Certificate of Identity, all right? That's the United States Department of Justice. Like I said, I was making a documentary. That's the Department of Justice. This is my identity. And that's the United States Department of Justice from 2013. It's a whistleblower, the movie. The money behind the machine. All right? The money behind the machine. We dying out here. George Floyd ain't here. Breonna Taylor ain't here. All these individuals that you murdered and killed ain't here. Emmett Till ain't here. I've been watching you kill black people since I came on this earth. All right? Emmett Till is your Freddie Gray. Your Tyrone West. Your Anthony Anderson. Your Maurice Donald Johnson. Anthony Flemings. You feel me? The murder and the death of our black people, black men, sons and daughters, black fathers, our black community. So I decided to make a documentary about it. Covered under the First Amendment of the Constitution. Visual and performing arts. All right? Social media for social change. Visual and performing arts. Political involvement. Photography, journalism, technology, design, law, sports, and cultural exchanges. I'm a weaver in Baltimore. M&T Bank. All right? Weaving the social fabric of life. And I just gave you the shorty program. All right? Social, economic, political, medical, and environmental. That's the Supreme Court of the United States in 2007. So we're going to court about this. That's Judge Bredar of the dissent decree. See when he got it? 2023. That's Erek Barron from the Department of Justice. He got it in 2022. That's Chief Judge Mary Barbera. That's Commissioner Harrison. He got it in 2023 before he left. Commissioner Harris ain't in office no more. Prosecutorial immunity don't apply to you. You're going to have to testify because these is the topics. First Amendment, protected activity. And y'all violated my First Amendment rights. Y'all charged me with terrorism 4 times in 2 states. And the police participated in that. Commissioner Belfield, Commissioner Batts, Commissioner Davis, Commissioner Harris, and Commissioner Worley. So make sure that you bring this to court. Like I said, I'm an honorably discharged veteran. I took an oath to defend my country against all terrorists, foreign and domestic. Your police department is domestic terrorists. And I put it all on social media. And we're going to go to court with this. Because Martin gave us Public Accommodations Act. So Senator Ben Cardin, you didn't have it since since 2007. We're going to update it. We're going to go to court. All right? We're going to go to court at 1:30 p.m. So Ivan Bates, Keith Davis, you let Keith Davis free? I want a trial. You free Keith Davis? Well, Shorty Davis want a trial. I want a trial and a public apology the same way that you ran me through the streets, the same way that you publicly embarrassed me. Fox 45 got to publicly acknowledge that they lied. Shellenberger too. Potty training politicians. People pay attention to dumbass shit. I'm getting ready to build toilets. It's election day today. Early elections, early voting. We're going to put this shit out there for everybody to see. Got the board up. In the name of Martin, Public Accommodations Act. Brack v. Wells. You feel me? Gideon versus Wainwright. I got a right to access the courts. We're going to go after Dred Scott. Do blacks have rights which white America respects? Well, let's find out.